around, is it?
Doesn't matter if it does or not. This is what they call static storm. Some of it does maybe hit, but it doesn't say it's gonna. See, it's very quiet. Once it comes across us, it will just rumble. It wouldn't be loud. But the wind is blowing one hell of it.
I could hear the wind when we were sleeping. I don't think it's picking up on the camera though.
It's picking it up, trust me. The worst is on the left of us, but